Hello and welcome. You may have seen on our website, hopefully on a big screen, that our Land Rover project is proceeding well. On the back door I had to replace the wiper motor. The new motor available is a later model. The suppliers say you need this 3-pin plug to get it working. The motor arrived with the plug but no instructions. I could not understand how it worked, so I took it apart. 3 inside contacts connect to the plug socket. 1 contact connects to the motor live. The blue wire from the motor goes to earth. It's a self-parking motor, so it needs a permanent live to keep the motor going after you've switched it off and take the wiper to the park position. This is the old motor. Its self-parking uses a wedge on the back of the drive wheel to contact this pin on a 2-way switch and complete the wiper sweep. I could not grasp the concept until my good friend Les drew me a diagram of the operation. Back to the new motor. The center contact is power to the motor. The outer contact is permanent live feed in with a brake at the park position. The inner small contact is the switched power input, which only fills the gap at the permanent contact ring. This may sound easy, but figuring it out took me, Les and Gary all day. So back to the door. There's the plug and that's the feed and the earth from the drive motor. With the new door cover refitted, including my dirty oily finger marks, the wires were labelled and we tested the motor operation and it was all okay. I saved the old motor cover and painted the bottom of the new motor black so it wouldn't show up. You'll have to enlarge the hole in the door frame for the spindle and split and widen the anti-crush tube, and then you can screw it up and it'll be fine. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.